Hello everyone, welcome back. I am so happy to have you. Today we are trying on a new wig from UNICE Hair. This wig is a little bit different from other wigs that I have tried and shown here on my channel, but I do love the packaging. Everything is on theme, everything is cohesive, and I absolutely love the hot pink. This wig came with a set of stocking caps, just a wig, and this really cute hot pink branded robe. Not much will be required for installing this wig, so it does make sense why they didn't include much into the packaging. This wig from UNICE Hair is the EasiContour V-Part Leave Out Glueless Curly Wig. So this is a V-Part wig with a sort of jerry curl texture. But this V-Part wig from UNICE Hair, it has some very unique upgrades. This wig features an elastic drawstring at the nape of the neck, which allows you to wear the wig as tight or as loose as you would like. It also comes with an anti-slip silicone strips along the base of the neck as well. It comes with 5 hair clips, 3 combs, and a breathable ventilated cap construction for extra comfort and security. The wig also features a skull-like arc along the opening so that the wig appears to be growing from your scalp. It is made of 100% human hair and it has 150% density. This wig comes in 6 different lengths, and the wig that I currently have is in the 24 inches. And all of the new upgrades to this wig are supposed to make it even more versatile than just wearing it as the standard V-part wig. And I'm going to show you a few styles that I tried using this wig. There isn't much prep, if any at all, needed to wear this wig. It does come sort of sewn together with these 2 elastic strips, and all you need to do is just cut them off. Very simple, very easy. And to wear it as a V-part wig with no leave out, you first want to make sure that you go ahead and open the clips that are on the wig. They will come closed. You want to make sure that you open them, and then you simply just slide them in along the sides of your part wherever you decide to wear it. And as the combs are slid onto your hair, you're going to push and that will close them. Hopefully that makes sense, but I'm definitely going to show you in the video. And I typically have a smaller head than normal, so of course I go ahead and adjust the straps of the wig before I do any of that. And this is what the wig looks like worn with no leave out. This is a very quick and easy way to wear this wig. It doesn't take much time or effort to install it like this. So if you are crunched for time or you don't have much time to style or do your hair, this would be a great wear and go option. Now I'm going to show you a couple more ways that you can wear this wig that I sort of discovered while playing around with it. The first way being wearing it as a sort of headband wig. So I clipped it to the front of my hairline and then I simply covered up the edge of the wig with a headband. So just wearing it as a headband wig, you just put it on and cover it up with a headband. If you don't feel like matching the hairline to your natural hair or anything, this is another simple and easy wear and go option. Now lastly, because this is a V-part wig, I'm going to show you how to install it as a V-part wig. You definitely want to section off a bit of hair, as little or as much as you like, because of the way that this V-Part wig is styled. You do not have to take out as much hair as I did. Yeah, I definitely left out a lot of hair, but you do not need a lot of leave out for this wig. And you're going to clip the wig along the sides of your leave out and then blend your leave out with the hair. Now, when wearing it as a V-part wig, I did end up adjusting the drawstring in the back to make it tighter because, of course, I am leaving out extra hair, so there was extra space. And for me in this texture wig, straightening my hair was the best option to get it to blend. But if it blends with your natural hair, that's fine. Then all you have to do is just blend it in. But do whatever works best for you. I'm just showing you all what worked best for me. But that is what this hair looks like installed as a V-part wig. I love how soft the hair is on this unit, and I definitely love the curls that it comes with. If you all are interested in purchasing this wig, the direct link and all of the other information will be down in the description box below. Unfortunately, I do not have any personal coupon codes to offer you guys, but if you click the link below, you'll notice that there is currently a discount for this specific wig. If you get the 24-inch V-part unit, you can get it for $199 with the code listed on the website. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for supporting and watching it all the way through to the end. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.